Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Mike's at it again with the Spam. This is chopped up Spam. 2 eggs, a little butter, some shredded cheese, some salsa, and a couple of flour tortillas. And that's why we have salsa. Hola, Mike Foster here. How are you doing? It's time for a quesadilla. People say, Mike, you're using a lot of Spam. Hey, this is low sodium Spam, so you're gonna get your protein. With the eggs, you're gonna get your protein. With the cheese, you're gonna get your protein. This is an easy, fast, simple. Is it killer or simple? It's both. This is a simple, killer Spam and egg quesadilla. Meet you at the stove. In a medium pan, a little butter to get that Spam cooking first. And cook the Spam down. Maybe a little above medium so this will cook fast. Just a little pepper in there. All right, this is ready for the eggs. There's 2 just slightly beaten eggs. Throw a little pepper on there. Let's just mix these up. This should be fast, simple, and easy here. See how fast that's cooking? I'm gonna put just a little salsa in there. We'll add the rest to the quesadilla. See how fast that is? This is done. Now let's go work on that quesadilla. All right, we got this up to medium. A little butter. We'll get that butter going. A little olive oil. Put 1 quesadilla down. A tortilla. It's not a quesadilla yet. And put cheese on top of this. It's a cheese masterpiece. That's how you make a quesadilla. So we're gonna get this side cooked first and get that cheese melted. This is, like I said, a little above medium now. To encourage the melting, I'm gonna put this right here to get that cheese melted. All right, how's that looking? Looking good. Now let's take this concoction that we made earlier and spread that around. I think we're gonna need the whole thing. Oh, that's gorgeous. Here's the rest of that salsa that we left to put on here to brighten it up. Oh, that's what happens if you get a little on the grease. On top of this, a sprinkle of cheese, because we want it ooey and gooey. And then put the top of the queso tortilla on here. That baby's sizzling. Just do a flip. All right. Lower that a little. Let's let this melt a little. And when both sides are done, I'll meet you at the counter, put this baby together. There that baby is. Now you gotta slice it. I'm gonna slice it in quarters. It's a quesadilla, and queso means cheese. Lift it up, take a look at it. Finish it off with a little more salsa. And there you have it, your Spam and egg killer, simple quesadilla. Big bite coming up. That thing looks pretty dang good, doesn't it? Well, who cares how it looks? See how it tastes. You can just eat it like this. As it's bursting with cheesy goodness. Oh. Creamy eggs. You get a little tang from that salsa. I got videos on how to make it. If not, get a good brand. It's simple and easy to make. Nice little lunch, brunch, breakfast. You could even have it for dinner. Check out my recipes at Live Life 365 and on my socials. Keep living life 365. Until next time, the sweet Babu says peace.
Live life 365.
Very simple to make and to cook these products. That's why it's called a simple recipe. This is the egg Spam. That was a little salsa. That looks great. There we go. Or use a fork. Out, man. Well, not yet. Not now. Now it's all gone. Bye-bye.